Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 13 of the February Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think. I don't know if I'm doing the contest later today because I might have dinner. Been walking around all day, but I'll do this problem. Subset is a good warm-up, I guess. Today's problem is subset, and I am still in Medellin. Hopefully that's slightly better. Okay, given an integer array nums of unique elements, return all possible subsets. Okay. The solution set must not contain duplicate subsets. Okay. What does that mean? All the numbers are unique, so okay. I was gonna be like, I mean, if the numbers are not unique, that may be a little bit annoying, not impossible, but I think this makes it pretty straightforward in the sense that by itself, I don't know if it's that interesting per se, but this does set as a basis for almost every backtracking type E, brute force E problem. Not every, but yeah, but so definitely there is some. Definitely recommend you learning that. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I mean, I don't think there's much to go. Is the way that I'm going to do it today is through is with recursion. In the past, I definitely have done bit mask, but I think recursion is actually easier to understand anyway, or at least it's a good practice of recursion in either case. So let's do that. I think one thing that I would say is that people sometimes mess something up, but I'll go over that. Yeah, so I just have a function called go and index, denoting the index here, and then maybe like a current array that will do. If index is equal to n, where n is equal to length of nums. If the index is equal to n, then n start append current, right? And of course, you need this because otherwise it just appends the pointer, and as you manipulate current, it will change all of them. Technically, just one of them, but because they're pointers. But so you have to be careful there. That's the thing that I have to mention. Of course, this is going to be O of n, but that's besides the point. Okay. So yeah, so then now there's really only two cases, right? One is you don't add anything to current, and then the other is you do add stuff to current. So then here you do current dot append, what is it? I guess num sub index, and then also current dot pop because you have to remove it after you're done. This is very standard backtracking thing, so definitely get good at it, I suppose. And yeah, and that's pretty much it, really. I think. So the one other thing that you can do in theory is that you can make a copy as you go on the stack. You can analyze the complexity of that. But yeah, I don't think that this. Guess this is only case. Oops. Cool. I mean, if it's good for here, it's probably good. This is going to be 2 to the 10, and they don't even put out range, which is, I guess, obvious. Yeah, and this is going to be, and 2 to the 10 is obviously exponential, but there are exponential number of subsets, so this is going to be as fast as it gets, and the output time and space is going to be as fast as it gets. Kind of, I guess this is technically O of 2 to the n times n because we do this append here. But otherwise, this is, and in terms of space, obviously, it's also going to be 2 to the n times n because there's 2 to the n entries, and each one, roughly speaking, has n entries, I guess, right? Though you could probably prove that is actually, you could prove a tighter band, I think, because you can kind of match 2 to, so you could divide it by 2, but this, and they're all n. I guess that's still, actually, yeah. I guess that's n times 2 to the n, actually, is a pretty tight bound. I mean, you could say n minus 1, but, all of whatever. Big O notation is the same. The reason is that you match, like, halves, right? And then you could see that the matching of each half will have n elements. Okay, cool. Yeah, I think that's pretty much all I have. I did do faster than last time. I probably did bitmask last time. Bitmask seems to do very slowly on Leetcode, actually. So something that I have to be mindful of. But yeah, let me know what you think. That's all I have for today. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.